Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some items to share with you today that, you know what, are perfect because you kind of need them. They're one of those things, right? And I release these all at the same time because I really feel like they all go together like 100%, right? So first, we have a sorry folded. So here's what it looks like, sorry, and this one included the my friend, that's separate, but look at that, sorry. So when you need to say sorry for missing their birthday, maybe someone passed away, lots of different options on this one, and I'll show you more. Then we're also releasing a die set that says, I'm praying for you, or we are praying for you, or praying for you. Lots of different options. You could also just say, I'm praying, if you want to. Lots of options on this one. This one's perfect for pretty much everything, right? I mean, everything. Then one of our club members came up with an idea of doing a set like this, so I kind of just took the idea and ran with it. But here we have, this is called Here for You, because this one is an important one, especially with, you know, people, the depression that's really happening a lot more lately and stuff like that. When you haven't heard from a friend in a long time, make sure you send them one of these. But here we go. You are important to me. It's okay to not be okay. You are not alone. I'm here. I've got your back no matter what happens. Is there anything I can do to help? What can I do? Let me help you. I want to help. I'm here to listen if you want to talk. I'm here for you during this difficult time. Lots of options. So perfect for sympathy, perfect for just all the time, right? Really, 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 really. If you need to talk, that's perfect. Just fun thing, not fun, but things that you can send to someone when you just don't know what else to say, but you want to be able to listen if they need to talk. So great. So here we have our sorry, and that says, sorry, my friend. Here we have one that says sorry, and you open it up, look how gorgeous it is on the inside. This is a one, like a rainbow bridge type one, get the rainbow here. It says, sorry for your loss. It says, no longer by your side, but forever in your heart. This is also using the rainbow bridge to stamp set. Here's one, sorry I missed your birthday, using our birthday strips. So that's perfect for that, right? I'm not late, I'm early for next year. Happy birthday anyway. So that's also using the bold birthday to stamp and the birthday strip stamps. And the create a scene, celebrate. Look how cute that is. Love that. Here's another one, sorry. Sometimes you don't know what to say, right? So you just say sorry. Here's a cute one, sorry. And this uses the more basket to stamp and sayings for baskets. Let my love for you shelter you from the storm. Isn't that gorgeous? Now here's some fun ones, praying for you. Isn't that beautiful? Also using our eyelet scallop circle set and our cross from the cross flip it. So there we go. Here's a gorgeous one, praying for you. You don't have to say I'm or we. You can just say praying for you. Isn't that beautiful? Hope this rough time will be behind you soon. Beautiful. Healing thoughts to stamp is that one. Here's a gorgeous one, I'm praying for you. Love that. Here's one, we are praying for you. Look at this, mini slim line, big slim line, A2 size. Fits on a lot of different options here, right? We are praying for you. Your miracle is on the way. Isn't that a beautiful thing to say? That's using the Jesus phrase strips. We are praying for you. Oh, that's sweet. Here's one, I'm praying. You could just simply say I'm praying, right? Open it up for you. Look at that. And then here's a gorgeous one using our A2 flower. It's okay to not be okay. Praying for better days. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, here's a cute one. I'm here to listen if you want to talk. Isn't that gorgeous with our fun little ladybug? You are not alone. Oh, here's a pretty one. Oh, using our, absolutely gorgeous, using our mandala in the background. I'm here for you during this difficult time. And look at our cute little nomad, our little nomad folder, fold it. Praying for better days. Isn't that adorable? So lots of options on all of these because some of them are going to be ones that you just need to send, like if someone passes away, if someone lost a job, if someone you just need to reach out to someone and you don't know what to say. Maybe you haven't heard from someone in a long time and you're like, hey, I haven't heard from so-and-so in a long time. I want to send them a card, but what am I supposed to say? Perfect, right? Perfect. perfect. Just say, hey, I'm here if you want to talk, something like that. So we really need to reach out to those people. So club members, you know the deal, discounts, all that kind of good stuff. Go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.